So I could not be happier to have this Broadfork. It is so heavy duty. It is solid. It is stainless steel, and it is really, really constructed very, very well. And I will give you a really good close-up of this and show you how I use it. So this is really, really well made. It's very heavy. It was very easy to put together. It only had 8 screws, very easy to put together. It has 5 tines here, and they're just constructed really nicely. They're welded at the stress points here. So that is great for long-term use. This is going to last forever because of the way that it's welded. And one thing I really love about this is these handles are not round. They are flat. So if you have a big job, you want these handles to be flat like this because they fit perfectly right into your palm, so you get a nice grip. And I want to say thank you to the company for sending this out to me. I super appreciate it. So one thing I like to use the Broadfork for is my compost pile. I leave it sitting out here all winter long, and I have chickens, so I have bedding, and it just gets real compressed along with the leaves. So I like to break it up a little bit and aerate it. So I will come out here and just kind of break this up without messing with the microbial health up underneath there. I don't want to, disturb anything. Try to as little as possible. So it just breaks up the soil, and you could see these big chunks in here. So that was like one big sheet. So this just really nicely breaks that up. So here is one of my ingrown garden beds, and I need to aerate the soil because I'm getting ready to put some leafy greens in here. So this is how I do it, and this makes it so much easier so that I am not disturbing the worms that are underneath here. I've worked really hard on this soil health, so I definitely do not want to disturb them. So it's just a matter of just pushing and just aerating like this. Some areas are going to be harder. I'm in North Carolina, so I have clay way underneath there, but this is actually really perfect for me to aerate the soil here. So I hope you found this helpful, and overall I think this is a fantastic Broadfork, and I have found it so handy.